Hi, in this video I'll show you how I crochet this patchwork cardigan. This is an easy cardigan because I only used half double crochet stitches. I used yarn, mule cotton and hook 6.0mm. All we need to do is crochet squares and ribbing. For squares, we will chain 22 and work 11 rows to achieve 15 cm squares. For middle ribbing, with chain 6 and work 117 cm long. For bottom ribbing, we will chain 9 and work 135 cm long. Sleeve cuff, we will chain 9 and work 11 rows. First, tie a magic knot, then chain 22. Then skip the last one, work on the second half double crochet. Always half double crochet. At the end of the row, chain 1 and turn your work. Still work half double crochet for the rest. Repeat that until you have 11 rows for the square of 15 cm. And that's it, my 15 cm square with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 rows and chain 22. Keep working and crochet 51 squares. I decided to make a few black and pink squares, which is one row of pink and the next row of black. So I connect the black string in here, and when I finish the pink row, I'll continue with the black. Chain 1 and chain 11. All squares are done. Now we will crochet ribbing and cuff. This is the middle hem, 117 cm. And this is the hem, the bottom hem, 135 cm. This is the cup I want. Chain 9 and half double crochet for 13 rows. Bottom hem, middle hem, sleeve cuff. After finishing all the granny squares, weave in the ends. I don't have needle, so I use this. Now sew the squares together. We will sew the front with the back, so it will be like this. I just sew all squares together. Now sew sleeve to cuff. Sew cuff to sleeve. I just mark the bottom hem. Now I'll sew it.